In this lecture, I am going to teach you some rules, some methods about divisibility rules by 11 and 13. In this lecture, I discuss two methods of divisibility rule by 11 and four methods of divisibility rule by 13. For divisibility rules by 11, I take two examples for different methods. Method first, to check the divisibility rule of the number 10857. In this method, you subtract unit place value from the remaining part of the number 1085 minus of 7, you get 1078. Okay, now this is enough big number, so in next step you again subtract it in similar pattern. You find 107 minus 8 is 99. This 99 is divisible by 11, hence this number is also be divisible by 11. Now I again discuss second method on same digits. Method 2. In this method, you sum separately odd place values numbers and even place values number. If the difference of these two is divisible by 11, then complete number is also be divisible by 11. Then sum of odd place values is 1 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 16. And the sum of even place value is 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Now, their difference is equal to 11. This one is divisible by 11. Hence, this number is also be divisible by 11. Now, take one more example. One nine one 51. You sum up unit place value, odd place values 1 plus 1 plus 1 and even place values 9 plus 5 is 14 and their difference is 11. This one is divisible by 11, hence this number is also be divisible by 11. Now take some examples to check the divisibility rule by 13. There are four different methods with four different examples. First method, as to check the divisibility rule of the number 2911272. This number is divisible by 13 or not. For this one is a big number, so you form a triplets of 3 digits. 3. You see that this is not a complete triplet, so you introduce some zeros for this one. This one is another triplets. Now you sum up with alternate positive and negative sign from the reverse order. 272 minus 911 plus 002. You find that the complete solution of this number is 637. This 637 is divisible by 13. Hence, this big number is also be divisible by 13. Now, second example with second method. Now, the second method, if the number is not so big, then you can try this one as to check the divisibility rule of 598 is divisible by 13 or not. For this, you select unit place value and multiply it by 4. And sum from remaining part of the numbers. This one is 59 plus 32. This one is 91. 91 is divisible by 13. It means this number is also be divisible by 13. This is second method. Now third method. Third method states that you apply third method on this number. You select last two digit number and remaining part of the number in two form as. Now this part multiplied by 4 and subtract, find the difference between these two. This one is 36 minus of 23, this one is 13, hence this number is also be divisible by 13. Another method with multiplier 9, you check it again. You check this number is divisible by 13 or not. For this, you take unit place value and remaining part of the number. Unit place value number multiply by 9 and find the difference between remaining part of the number. 85 minus of 72, this one is 13. This number is divisible by 13, it means this number is also be divisible by 13.